Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Innovation School. Today I am going to take a class for class 3 and today's topic is design with natural things. This one is your first design class. So I will brief something new. Design with natural things. Which is natural things? Natural things is these things which we got from the nature, and the rules is for the drawing you must use geometric box and geometric materials. This one is scale. You must use the scale. Okay, without scale your design will never be good. Okay, first you must draw a box 6 by 6 inch. Just like this, about 6 by 6 inch. Remember this very carefully. Natural thing 6 inch by 6 inch box. Okay. First draw the box. And you must find a middle point, and for the middle point you will divide the box like this. Here you draw a line. I will show you the rules of divided the box just freehand. Okay, first draw the box. You must draw this box by scale. I just show you how the box will divide it. First draw like this line, then you will draw this line, then this line, then this line. Okay, and you got a middle point. For the middle point you must draw from here to here, this corner to this corner, and we divided it also from here to here and this corner to this corner. For get a box, this one is box, this one is box, this one is box, this one is box, and our drawing must be every things will look same. Now look, natural things. Which things we get from nature? Now I will use a fish. All of you know that fish is a natural things. Okay, look, the middle point I have find out and start from here. Every fish start from this portion. First draw this. Okay, then give the tail. Give small fin. Look, this one is reverse. Everything is reverse, and thus just use a one from, and I will reverse it more time. Okay, first draw the fish and then you will give the design. Okay. Okay, this one is your mandatory drawing. If you want, finally you can give here some design for it look better. Because otherwise it looks very empty. Okay, you can draw here something like this. So dear students, hope you all have understood how I have drawn the design. You must practice at your home. This one is also your HW. If anyone draw without box and draw without scale, I won't give the number for him or her. So dear student, practice at your home. No more tutorial. Thank you.